In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notion, my Notion app setup. We will walk through the exact path I use inside Notion to get to the right workspace areas, create a new team space, and then open 2 key pages that I keep in my setup. Start by going to the Notion home screen. This is the main landing area where you can access your sidebar, search, and your most used sections. If you are ever unsure where you are in Notion, returning to home is a reliable reset point. Next, click on Recents. This section is helpful because it surfaces the pages you have opened lately, which saves time when you are actively working across multiple projects. It is also a quick way to confirm you are signed into the correct Notion account and viewing the right content. From there, click on Agents. Think of this as selecting a specific area or workspace grouping in your sidebar. When you select it, you are narrowing your focus so you can work within the right set of pages. Now click on Private. The Private section is where your personal pages live, separate from shared team areas. This is useful for drafts, planning, and anything you are not ready to share. Keeping private organized helps your whole Notion experience feel cleaner. Next, click on Team Spaces. Team spaces are where shared work typically happens, and they are designed to keep projects and departments separated in a structured way. You will notice team spaces listed in the sidebar, and you may see it more than once depending on how your sidebar is arranged. Click on Team Spaces again if needed to expand the area and make sure you can see the team space controls. Then click on New Team Space. This is where you create a fresh space dedicated to a specific purpose, like a department, a client group, or a workflow. Click on New Team Space again to proceed through the creation flow and confirm you are entering the setup screen. Once your team space options are visible, click on Sales CRM. This takes you into a CRM-focused space where customer and sales information can be organized in one place. Finally, click on Business Plan Builder. This opens the page where you can structure planning materials and keep strategy details connected to the rest of your workspace. That covers everything you need to know.